Here are the best ways to gatekeep information.
Nice try, Professor. The very first thing I did to uncover the text here was scrape borderlines to indicate where the tops and bottoms of each letter would be, which I did by taking note of the portions of the letters that were visible. Now, with the portions of the letters that he didn't cover up, there are a few I'm able to determine immediately. Only a T curves at the bottom like these two letters. This letter over here has to be an N. Here we can see the bottom of a G over here and over here. If you look very closely right over here, you can see what has to be the bottom of a Y. The only letter that this can be the right half of is U, which gets us here. This three-letter word over here that starts with a Y and ends with a U pretty obviously has to be U. And I figured that the word that precedes it must be an ing verb, because that would line the I right up to this little dot that pokes up out of the red. And given that there are three dots poking up out of the top over here, the only one that would be able to fit slimly in between these two would be an L, which gets us here. It is now pretty obvious that this word must be telling, which fills in our second word. Now, these two words with the two letters that precede it make it pretty obvious what he's trying to do. He's not telling you. From here, I can surmise that each instance where we can see the tops of three letters side by side must be the word telling, giving us another telling over here and another telling over here. And the little white dot that is the top of this letter over here lets me know that this fourth line must end with an ing. Now that I've spotted four I's, it helps me distinguish the tops of I's from the tops of L's, which helps me determine this dot to be an I, as well as this dot. Putting that all together gets us here.